Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also really enjoy subscription boxes and you guys seem to enjoy them as well. Today is my Allure beauty box for the month of November. We'll pop these right here as I'm getting some scissors because I forgot them. And we open up our little box. I have gotten the Allure beauty box kind of off and on throughout the years just because I feel like it can be a little bit more skincare heavy, and obviously y'all, we can only use so much skincare. And I will note too, like, nothing on my channel ever goes to waste. I do a ton of giveaways, a ton of secret giveaways, and a ton of milestone giveaways. I do currently have my 7,000 subscriber giveaway up on my channel now, so I hope you'll hop on over there and enter that giveaway. But nothing goes to waste. I do giveaways and stuff like that, and then I also have a resale group over on my Facebook. We're gonna dive in. We always get a little informative pamphlet. It gives us pertinent details, information, why they chose the things they chose, and oftentimes we also get a coupon code and a discount code for the products that are in the box. Oh my gosh, I'm already seeing nice stuff. Okay, there's something in paper, unless the paper's just... Alrighty, first up, that sounds amazing. I don't know if that's the Lucetta. This is the biotin and collagen hair mask, strengthening and thickening formula, color safe, free of sulfates, parabens, and gluten for thin and, well, I don't have thin hair. I definitely have dry hair. I might have to look this up and just kind of see. And this, I believe, would be a full-size product. I like getting stuff like that. God, there's a ton of stuff in here, y'all. We have something, I don't know if the brand is Discover. This is the Noteworthy Eau de Parfum. I've actually never heard of that. Okay. Ooh. Next up is the Sephora Big by Definition Mascara. I love mascara. Look, y'all know I'm a mascara hoe, honey. They are my most used, most gone through products, mascaras and brow products all the time. Next up, I have wanted to try this. I also would like to try the hand cream because I've heard nothing but reviews about this. This is the L'Occitane in Provence, the Amande, the almond oil shower oil. I'm so excited about this, you guys. If you have any experience with any of these products too, drop them in the comments. Let's have that conversation down below. Next up, I love Kat Berkey. This is the Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream, our best seller with 15% vitamin C. I'm excited, y'all. I was using 2 of her products kind of in unison, and they were fantastic, fantastic products. We are still freaking going, y'all. Ooh, I buy these all the time. Next up is the liquid. If you're new here, I'm sorry. Liquid IV, sugar-free. You have white peach, lemon lime, and green grape. The white peach is my favorite. That one and like the cotton candy one, delish. And I don't think I've tried the green grape, so I'm excited to have this. It's something a little bit random, but I'm not mad at it. We're still going, you guys. What? We have a Charlotte freaking Tilbury Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter in Pillow Talk. This is well over, this also by itself I'm sure is well over the price of the entirety of my box. Y'all, holy freaking crap. This is a damn good box in my opinion, and there's still one more product in there. That's gonna be so beautiful. I will note, as excited as I am, and I like to see bougie brands and things, I hate this type of packaging. Hate. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this or not, but damn, it's good to see it in here, y'all. Alrighty, and then last up in my Allure Beauty box for November is something from Half Magic. This is the Sparkle Sticks Eye Crayon in Phobot. Sorry, y'all. I do not wear my glasses while I'm filming. Love the packaging. If it's that color, that's going to be beautiful. It kind of looks like aquamarine, which happens to be my birthstone. So, ooh, very pretty. I love their packaging. Oh. Yeah, I thought that was indicative of what the actual color was going to be. My bad. I guess I could swatch it for y'all, just kind of show y'all. I don't oftentimes use these, which is kind of crazy for me because I used to at one time own so many of the Mally Beauty shadow sticks and I absolutely loved them. This is super beautiful, and I'm sure it's even more beautiful like with light cascading on it, because I'm actually seeing like a ton of silver, beautiful, very like small flecked mica in here. So it's stunning, just not something that I think I'm going to use. But if you've tried this and I need to use it and try it, y'all let me know. I'm gonna run down that one more time because that was a lot of stuff and I'm blown away. I'm giving it a 5 out of 5 for sure. We have our Half Magic eyeshadow stick. We have the L'Occitane shower oil. We have the Lucetta Biotin and Collagen hair mask. We got our full-size Kat Berkey Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. We got the sampler of the Sephora Big by Definition mascara. We got a freaking full-size Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Beauty Light Wand. So excited, you guys. We got our little sampler of the Discover, I think is the brand, and then Noteworthy Eau de Parfum. And then we also got our Liquid IV Hydration Multipliers. Let's go down some deets. It will always tell us right through here kind of what they were looking for the month. And then first up, we have our Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in Pillow Talk Original, Hollywood Beauty Light Wand in Spotlight, or Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand in Pink Gasm. Why? You'll love it. Glowy skin is always in. These gel-based beauty light wands will give your complexion a special sort of luminosity, whether as a blush or highlighter step in your routine. Add a touch of flush with the Rosy Glowgasm blush in Pink Gasm, or create a strobe-like sheen with the highlighters in Rose Gold Pillow Talk Original or Shimmery Champagne Spotlight. How you'll use this. Twist open the tube, squeeze to dispense, then dab directly onto the cheekbones using the cushion-covered applicator head. Tap with your fingers. This is retail price $42 for 12 mils. That is absolutely a full size. Sorry about that, hubby called. Yeah, this is worth $42, y'all. I'm ecstatic about that. That's awesome to see in here. And I really like that they go in depth and they say, here's why we think you're gonna love it. Here's why we chose it. Here's how to use it. And I like that. I like that it's informative, especially for those of us, maybe if you are a beginner, maybe you're not well versed on specific brands or whatever the case may be. Next up, one of my favorite skincare brands. This is the Kat Berkey Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. Why? You'll love it. We could all use a little more time in the day, and this multitasking moisturizer gives us just that. Thanks to its 15% vitamin C, this potent cream brightens as it hydrates, leaving behind a glowy finish and a streamlined routine. How you'll use it. After cleansing, slather a dollop or two onto skin from your forehead to the décolletage, and don't forget to follow up with sunscreen. Please be mindful. If you're using anything with vitamin C, you can have a reaction and your skin can become very reactive and very sensitive to sunlight. This is $80 for 1 ounce. This is a full size. And there is a discount. We have promo code, receive 10% off with your purchase site-wide with the code Allure10 valid through February 1st, 2026. This is awesome, you guys. I'm currently using like a mini of vitamin C. But that's going to be next in my rotation just because I already know and love and trust their products. Next up was the Half Magic, the Sparkle Stick Eye Crayon in Champagne, Snowflake, Twirlita, Punk Pony, Faux Cloud Kit, Princess Teddy, Frosty Winkle, or Noir or Never. Why you'll love it. All that glitters is gold, or periwinkle, or pink. You get it. With this eyeshadow stick, the creamy formula glides onto the lids with glimmering neutrals and show-stopping date night nudes. How you'll use it, hug the lash line for a sparkling cat eye or boldly cover your lids. This is $25 for 0.4 ounces. I'm assuming, yes, that this is also a full size. I may try this, and like the glimmer that is in here, you guys, is incredibly stunning, and it's bulletproof. It is not going anywhere, so I might try it. I might. Next up, also incredibly excited about this, is the L'Occitane Almond Shower Oil. The only thing more satisfying than watching this oil to milk cleanser transform from a silky elixir into a lavish lather is how soft and velvety it will leave your skin post-shower. I've also heard it smells divine. I'm excited. How you'll use it. Dispense a few drops into your hand, loofah, or washcloth, just like you would with a traditional body wash, and rub it into the skin. Then watch the sudsing begin. This is a retail price of $29 for 250 mils. This is 75 mils. And there is a 10% off code. Receive 10% off your purchase and free shipping. Wow. With code Allure. This is valid through January 31st. I like that, like, I feel like sometimes they only give us like a 30-day time frame. I like that we're kind of getting through the holiday so we can kind of wait for like holiday sales and maybe also stack the code. I don't know, possibly. All right, next up is the Lucetta. Hopefully I am saying that right. If I'm not, I'm very sorry. This is the biotin and collagen hair mask. If your strands are more straw than silk, a weekly treatment may be just what the doctor ordered. The strengthening biotin, plumping collagen, and nourishing argan oil in this mask give thin, dry hair a soft, shiny look. During your next everything shower, skip your conditioner and rake in this thick cream from the mid-lengths to the ends, leave on for 5 minutes, and rinse. This is a retail price of $36 for 500 mil. We got 100 mil in here. And we do have a code. Receive 20% off of your purchase site-wide with Allure 20 through January 31st. All right. Next up was the Sephora mascara. Also really excited about this. The Sephora Collection Big by Definition Defining and Volumizing Mascara. Why you love it. Fuller, livelier lashes are right this way, courtesy of this big brush mascara. The thick bristles on the wand grip each individual hair to define and bulk up as they coat with the inkiest pigment. How you'll use it. We all know how to use a mascara, I assume. Retail price is $15 for 10 mil, and this is 0.6 mil. Next up is the Noteworthy Scents, the N307 Sunlit Grove. The summer may be over, but one spritz of this fruit-forward fragrance with notes of zesty mandarin, orange, and basil will instantly transport you back to warmer weather and longer days. Cozy, creamy sandalwood. They just lost me. Keeps the scent seasonal. I am not a sandalwood fan. How you'll use it, we know how to use a perfume. This retails for $139 for 100 milliliter. So that kind of goes back to why I like subscription boxes. I can test this out, and if I hate it, I probably will. If I hate it, then I've not wasted very much money. Versus spending $139 on the full size, and then if I don't like it, I'm kind of stuck with it unless I can, you know, sell it or send it back or whatever the case may be. And I don't know if the liquid IV is a bonus item. Oh, well, we do have a thing on the back. So I'm assuming that is probably just some type of a bonus. Yeah, 5 out of 5. I am floored. Whoop, sorry about that, y'all. Jeez. I'm floored. I think this is a phenomenal box. And I like too that we're getting stuff to like be decadent and keep our skin nice and hydrated and moisturized and stuff like that. Something for our hair. We've got some like glitz and glamour and stuff for like the holiday season, holiday parties, New Year's, stuff like that. I love this. I love this box. That is it. I'd like to know your thoughts. Don't forget about that 7,000 subscriber giveaway that is already up on my channel. Good luck if you do go and enter. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can hype this video. You can turn on post notifications so you never miss one of my uploads. And there's a join button down below. You can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties!